about Zarzuela de Mariscos, the other specialty that this version comes from me alone was in 1987. It was the first time I went back to Barcelona since I was born there. So it was 18 years from the time I was born. And this friend of my mother, who lived in Barcelona, took us to a seafood restaurant. And she said, oh, you have to taste this. This is the Zarzuela de Mariscos of Barcelona. So, okay. It really tasted good, but it wasn't what I cook now. It was like soupy paella, actually. No, it was like, without the rice, it was soupy. It was a soup. And then, so as I was eating, I told my mother, Mom, this would be good if it had rice soaked in it. And that's how Zarzuela de Mariscos was born. But then, of course, as you mature, evolve, and so does the recipe. And that's why my Zarzuela de Mariscos, people really come to our parties because I'm serving it. Not because of me, but because of the food.